Since the Silk Road Fund was established more than 2 years ago, what have been some of the investment highlights? And as president of the fund, how would you assess the work done by the fund so far?
The Silk Road Fund was start from the grass. Everything is new, including looking for office building, recruiting people. So we start from the beginning. And in the second year, we managed to conclude some transactions, and we managed the positive cash flow. So it's a good beginning, let me put this way. And more important is that because of several high-profile investment, the international markets began to realize there is a Silk Road Fund. They began to recognize our fund. So that's the most important achievement so far.
What role has the Silk Road Fund played in the Belt and Road Initiative? And in particular, how has it facilitated Chinese companies going global?
This One Belt, One Road initiative is overarching in the current globalization. And it's also the first time, in addition to launching this initiative, China set up some institutional arrangement, financing arrangement. This includes Silk Road Fund. Another one is AIIB. China has a lot of capacity in terms of manufacturing, and also there's a huge demand in our domestic market. We bring capital. This capital can go together with China's manufacturing capacity. So we bring capital and the manufacturing go abroad. So this is the unique role of Silk.
What do you think are the main challenges of the fund's operations, and how is the fund mitigating the various uncertainties as well as risks?
That's a very good question, and difficult to give a short answer to this. But you are right. Looking the markets that we are targeting, each market has their own unique situations. So we have to deal with that. I think the way we go first depends on which market you go. You have to look at your partners. You have to look at the role of government, and also the law that's going to govern those projects. I think probably the most important one above what I said is the project itself. It's really in demand or welcomed by that society, by majority. So that's the most important one. Find the right project, clear definition of the roles between government and other investors, and also design require a good legal structure, and also the governing law.
The fund previously stated, and just now you've also mentioned, that it actually welcomed all other institutional investors. When are we going to see more foreign investors that are likely to increase the amount of contributed capital of $40 billion US? Is it going to happen in the near future?
Right now, I don't see any urgent need to have any other foreign investors to be a part of this or addition to this $40 billion. Very rare investors who has that capacity, let me put this way, frankly. But we are certainly quite active in working with foreign investors at the project level, not at the company level, but lower project level, we go together with them. I don't think at the capital level, or at the company level, we need that investors.